Day 5 of posting a VizHub demo video every day until we reach 10K MRR. VizHub.com has become somewhat of an AI playground that enables non-technical folks to vibe code their way to success with data visualization using React D3. We finally upped the price to $15 a month or $12 a month if you pay annually. And this gives you unlimited access to Edit with AI, private vizzes, and the ability to embed visualizations onto your site without the VizHub logo. This new price is justified because, for the moment, it truly is unlimited access to Edit with AI. And what Edit with AI does is, let me show you. If we start from one of these starter templates and fork it, we can then edit with AI. And let me give an example of what you can do. Make this really pop in dark mode with extra super fancy styles. When I hit send, it uses Claude Haiku 4.5 as the first line of defense, so to speak. This is one of the cheaper models, less powerful LLMs from Anthropic. But it's still surprisingly quite good. Look at that. That's awesome. But what I want to show you is when I click on Try Harder, now it escalates to a more powerful LLM, Claude Sonnet 4.5. This had been the state of the art for some time, and it's a really, really good coding model. And in VizHub, it does this streaming parsing, so it just tells you what file is being edited, and then it shows you the diff while the LLM is still streaming the response, so you can study what all it's doing. See, it added a lot of custom CSS, it added some changes to the circle rendering, and now it looks like this. Oh, look at that. When I click on it, it glows. But here's the real cool part. If you click Try Harder again, a second time, it uses Gemini 3 Pro. And this is really, truly the state of the art in terms of AI-driven coding. It's a very advanced LLM from Google that has thinking tokens, and so we can see the reasoning tokens, which is not the response, but it's sort of thinking through how it will do it. So it takes some time when you trigger this, but the idea is that for simple edits, most of the edits will be actually successful with Claude Haiku, and only when it fails would you want to spend the extra time waiting for the more advanced LLMs to solve it. Now it's finally generating the changes, first the style, then D3 code, and finally this is what we get. And it also has a super fancy click interaction. And we can even see in the revision history, once the thumbnails load, all three different versions and compare them. But in the meantime, let me show you full screen how this looks. It's responsive, and you can click on points, and they have this super cool glowing effect. So that's how easy it is to work with AI and vibe code your way to success in data visualization with VizHub. And if you ever want to go back and see the results from the various models, you can open up the revision history, and ideally there would be thumbnails for all of them. Then you can just open each of them in a new tab and review which one you prefer, and just pick your favorite one, and you can click to restore this version. So you're not actually losing anything every time you say try harder, except your time. There are generous limits on the free plan, so you can actually try the Edit with AI. You get up to 50 messages per day, which I think is pretty generous, maybe too generous. But you can only make public vizzes. Also, if you have any questions, join us in Discord and reach out.